I menar säkerhetsavståndet skyddar om god hand och kosthygien och använder mask. Läs inte oversjuk.
Welcome to Winter Wonderland, Finland!
This
And for the real Christmas tradition here in Finland, you need to have a Christmas tree. What I'm holding now is a real tree as a matter of tradition. Of course, you can have the plastic ones as well nowadays. But this we're gonna decorate it on the 24th in the morning. And this, what I'm holding now, is really real. Look at the pine and the scent. Oh, it really gives you this very, very special Christmas feeling. It's really nice. You even have tar. This is the real Christmas tree. Light is up! Christmas tree is fully decorated, ready for Christmas. So funny. And the highlight of everything here in Finland on Christmas time is Santa Claus visiting the homes, especially for the kids. Oh, I've been very good this year. I really hope that Santa would come and visit and give me my presents.
Hyvää joulua! Merry Christmas, everyone! From the land of the Santa Claus, Finland. Merry Christmas, hyvää joulua. It's time for the gifts. This one is for you. And this one is for you.
My Christmas gifts received: jacket, some pajama sets, chocolates, and I still have one more left unopened. And speaking of Christmas, another important tradition of the Finns here in Finland is of course the food, like anywhere else in the world. So here they have mainly in the Christmas Eve table a ham made of pork and some veggies, some potato casserole or potato and carrots casserole mix, and some other houses maybe have fish. We had fish as well. And speaking of ham, this ham is actually a tradition that has been passed on from many, many years already. So we believe the tradition was like there is a village or a family who is raising one pig the whole year, and then they butcher it, kill it on Christmas, and then cook it in different ways and have it salted, and then they prepare it in the table, and that's like the highlight of the year. So from that moment on until this time, passed on indeed to many generations, it's been a tradition and yet still being practiced today, and the modern way, ham. I have to open my last gift actually. Wow, thanks Santa, you really granted my wish. And to continue the Finnish Christmas Eve tradition, we are going to a place to calm down the hustle and bustle of Christmas after all this Christmas rush, shopping, buying gifts, and then the food preparation. And then now we just need like stillness and again the quiet moment, and we are going to a beautiful place. Quiet, beautiful. I'm gonna show you. So we are currently at the graveyard. Yes, we are in the cemetery. Part of the Finnish tradition in Christmas Eve is to visit the cemetery of their departed loved ones, friends, or family members. And they come here, light a candle, and just calm down, and remembering those who already left this world. Minus 14 degrees at the moment. You see that? Very cold, but it feels so good. And it's snowing, it glitters. There is more lights everywhere. And the candles everywhere in the graveyard. They look beautiful. It's not creepy at all. Beautiful, quiet, calm. Let's go light some candles. I wanted to light a candle. I know the story of this girl. She died in 1966 at the age of 4 because of a car accident. It's amazing. The light that surrounds me are all candles. They really glimmer in the dark. It's so beautiful, quiet, peaceful. Wow, what a graveyard or cemetery Christmas Eve tradition here. Very beautiful, quiet. The candles, they're just amazing. And there's one more Finnish Christmas Eve tradition that I want to do. What a great, fantastic Christmas Eve activities here in Finland. And because it's very, very cold outside, and as I mentioned, I wanted to do something to complete the whole Finnish tradition. And I'm here in the sauna, 80 degrees.